This store operates on a dropshipping model and sells this product. Last month, it managed to generate over $26,000 in sales from this product alone, all without spending a single dollar on advertisements. The method used was creating content on TikTok. The store owner has a TikTok account, placed the store link in the bio, and creates daily content about this product. The product is sold for approximately $45, while its cost is around $15, which helped achieve over 600 orders last month. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I share winning products daily. I will leave a link to register on Shopify in the video description, where you can get a free trial and your first 3 months on Shopify for $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. Also, if you plan to run ads on TikTok, there is an excellent offer. If you spend $100 on ads, you will receive an additional $100 in credit. The link to this offer is in the video description. After setting up the store, go to Zendrop via Shopify. Click on Apps and select Zendrop. From here, start searching for the name of the product you want to sell. You will find products at different prices. Choose the suitable product, and here you will find all its details. If you scroll down, you will find the variants, which are the available colors or sizes. You will also see the product cost, shipping cost, which varies by country, and the total cost. To add the product to the store, click on Add to My Products, then go to My Products, and you will find the product there. Click on Review and Publish. And from here, edit all the product details before publishing it, such as the product name, the product description, the variants, the selling price. For example, you can sell this product for $45 and the net profit per piece will be displayed. Select the images you want to publish on the store, then click on Publish to My Store and confirm. This will publish the product on the store. You go to Shopify and click on Products. You will find the product listed there. Now you need to complete designing the online store. I will leave a video link in this video's description explaining how to design a Shopify store. Also, you need to connect a payment gateway so that customers can pay for their orders. After you start receiving orders, go to Zendrop, where you will find the orders listed. Add funds equal to the cost of the orders and start shipping them to customers. The advantage of Zendrop's free plan is that it allows 25 order fulfillments. If you need to handle an unlimited number of orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan. After that, you have two options: run paid ads on TikTok, create a TikTok account, add the store link to your bio, and start creating daily content about the product you're selling. That was today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. Goodbye.